Archaeometry as an interdisciplinary field of exhibition design and non-formal education in the Archaeological Museum. Relations of different scientific fields are emerged in museums. Interdisciplinary exhibitions are organized in different types of museums so that art, for example, coexists with technological tools, natural history collections, etc. But is it possible to disseminate elements of modern science into different kinds of museums, such as archaeological ones? Examination of the literature reveals that the interdisciplinary relationship between Greek archaeological museum collections and the natural sciences exists in these four cases: archaeometry, conservation, ancient Greek science, ancient Greek technology and art. Archaeometry is a wide range of scientific fields for dating, technology, and origin of materials, having three different components: the conceptual component, the methodological component, and the cultural one. The concept of a science educative islet combines the design of an appropriate museum structure to disseminate one of these four forms of interdisciplinary scientific knowledge, for example, archaeometry, associated with exhibits of an archaeological museum, and the design of a related educational program to support cognitive and emotional progress of the student group that will attend the program. Three different elements are required: the narrative derived from the knowledge to be disseminated, the media device, and the media staging and educational program. In order to investigate experts' opinion, we conducted a research among experts related with those interdisciplinary fields, having three main objectives. We wanted to investigate their perceptions of the interdisciplinary relationship between archaeology and the natural sciences. We wanted also to investigate their ideas about the transfer of this interdisciplinary relationship at the interpretative narration of the Archaeological Museum. And we wanted also to investigate their ideas about the educational role of this interdisciplinary relationship and the concept of the science educative islet. All five participants agree that there is a strong relationship between archaeology and the natural sciences. They all referred mainly to archaeometry as the great bridge between the two scientific areas. They all believe not only that it is possible to interpret the exhibits of an archaeological museum in the light of natural sciences, but that it is also necessary. They all believe that a possible interpretation of the exhibits of an archaeological museum in the light of the natural sciences can be the subject of a museum education. And they all had a positive attitude towards the idea of a science educative islet. Scientific knowledge can be disseminated within the archaeological museum. That means cultural environment that is not a privileged way of communicating natural sciences. In a social level, there is an international tendency among different types of museums to reach a range of audiences through the multi-interpretation of their exhibits. In epistemological level, it is possible the emergence of interpretations of archaeological collections linked to the dissemination of knowledge of natural sciences and related social practices, and in a museographic level, it is possible to design museographic structures and educational tools aimed at transforming scientific knowledge of archaeological museum collections into appropriate knowledge for frequent visitors and especially the school audience of modern museums. Thank you.